Hi there. Welcome back to Studio 64. In this episode, we will unbox and review this new variant of the very successful model from Mini GT. The Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, in the yellow colorway. But before I proceed, and while I'm unwrapping the plastic on this box, I'd like to thank our Studio 64 friends, fellow collectors and hobbyists, for subscribing to this channel. We've now reached the 2000 mark. I'm very grateful that you made Studio 64 as one of your preferred source of 164 diecast content. Thank you very much. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, and like what you're seeing so far, do consider subscribing, and hit the bell icon for your reminder of new uploaded videos. As some of you know, I've done a review of the blue version of this model some time ago. So this review would be a simplified version of it. The model, with model number 317, is packaged in this standard Mini GT 2021 box. The Bugatti official licensed product hologram sticker is found here at the back. The model is protected by this plastic clamshell case. Standard in Mini GTs. And here it is, and as mentioned earlier, it's pretty much the same model as the blue version, apart from the colorway. Nevertheless, the tooling done on this model, coupled with the striking color combination of yellow and grayish black, still manages to amaze me. One of the more obvious features of this model is the blue sidewall tires. The same tires used on the blue variant. Shouldn't it be colored yellow to match the body? Or left it with just plain black? Your guess is as good as mine. Having said that, I do think this yellow version is a concept car only, and wasn't really made. Tried looking for more info on this but came up empty. Feel free to share your thoughts on the comments below if you have info on this yellow version. I know I've stated my favorite features of this model in my past review, but I have to say, the yellow color has given more emphasis to them. Take for example the cutouts on the body. Since it has more contrast to it, the cutouts are more prominent. And it's a good thing the paint job on this Bugatti is excellent. I do prefer the carbon fiber finish look on this yellow version, compared to the blue version. It gives more emphasis on the signature Bugatti design arc on the air intake. The engine window is another strong feature of this model, and in this yellow version, the silver accents pop even more against the black carbon fiber finish. Even the tampo graphics are more visible. The front fascia of this model, I think, is where this yellow variant really stands out. With the excellent tooling done to capture the real car, this color variant, with the contrast of yellow and black, highlights the design of the car perfectly. As we move to the rear, we still have the very detailed rear end, where the tail light bar still pops against the blacked out rear end assembly. Though I did notice the muffler tailpipes misaligned. Would have been great if these tailpipes were real metal tubes. And there you have it. The yellow version of the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, by Mini GT. The original blue version of this model was greatly accepted, and praised by the diecast community. I've seen it in various channels in their top diecast list. With very good reason, it's really nice. So, does having a second variant, this yellow version, be a good thing? I do think so. I think this yellow variant, even though it's practically the same model, has its own look and feel compared to the blue version. Personally, I really dig this yellow version. Except for the blue tires though. I guess Michelin had that particular tire made for the blue version. So yeah, I would recommend getting this model. Looks great having both side by side. What do you guys think? Do leave your comments below. Till next time. Peace. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.